Hello friends, today we're diving into a comprehensive guide on how to integrate Google AdMob into your Unity projects. First, head over to the Google AdMob official website. Navigate to the Import from GitHub section. Click Unity package here. You'll find the latest version of the Google AdMob SDK for Unity. Click the link and SDK will see in your system. Once the download is complete, open your Unity project. Go to the Assets menu and select Import Package, then Custom Package and locate SDK folder and select File. Click All button and then import it into your Unity project. Unity will process the package and add all necessary files to your project. You can see that External Dependency Manager, Google Mobile Ads and Plugins folder are automatically added in Asset folder. Now let's set up our user interface. Start by creating a new game object in Scene with Name main menu. Add image game object inside main menu. Adjust its size and position to fit the screen. Once it's done, create MY folder inside Asset folder and drag all imaged from your computer to MyUI folder. You can use any images which you like to use. Next, one by one select Sprite mode from multiple to single for all images and then click Apply. Now it's to assign BG1 image to main menu image. Next, add a coin box to the top of the screen to display the user's coin count. Next, create a play button. To do this, add a UI button element to the main menu and import TMP essentials and extras in the project. Customize the button's text to say play and style it to match your game's theme. We'll also add a click event to this button later. Add coin text in the coin box and set font style, size and alignment of text. This will be updated whenever the user watches a rewarded ad. Now it's time to create game menu. So first copy main menu and paste in Scene and edit name as game menu, then change image source to BT2 and edit this play button name as back and add another button which name is reward ad. Now we will create a script that is connection between main menu and game menu. Go to the asset folder and create new folder that name is scripts and create new ch script that name is game controller. Then open this game controller and create two game object main menu and game menu. Also add click play method and click back method which we will assign to the play button and back button. If you click on the play button, the main menu will be hide and the game menu will be shown. When you click on the back button, the game menu will be hide and the main menu will be shown. Now click on Canvas in the Inspector Assign Game Controller script to the canvas and also drag main menu and game menu game objects to this script. Select the play button, go to the Inspector panel and on Click section, click the plus icon and then drag the canvas that containing game controller script. Select the click play method to be called when the button is clicked. Select the back button, go to the Inspector panel and on Click section. Drag the canvas that containing game controller script. Select the click back method to be called when the button is clicked. Now run the project and click on play button. It will show game menu without interstitial ad. Click on back button. It will show main menu. Next, we'll implement banner ads, interstitial ads and rewarded ads. Create new script with name ads manager inside scripts folder. Create an instance and mail ads manager to singleton. We will using this instance globally using singleton. Once it's done, go to the Google AdMob Unity website and scroll down and click Implement Banner Ads. First we have to initialize mobile SDK copy start function, paste into the ads manager script. Copy create banner view function and paste into the script. You can also change position of banner ad in the create banner view function, then change test ad ID. Wherever the old name has been used, we will change it. We will also create actual AdMob ID in this video. Now copy load ad function, which is used to load banner ad. Then copy listen to ad event function, which is triggered in ad loading, opening, closing and error time. In the last copy destroy ad function, which is destroy current ad. Now let's correct code call load ad function from initialize function because when the SDK is initialized, we have to first load ban added, listen to add events into the create banner view function. So it will capture all errors, opening and closing event. When our banner ad is failed to load and banner ad close, that time we have to again call load ad function. Here all the other events are also available when we click the ads, the impressions of the ads, add open event and more. Now go back to Unity project and create new game object as ads manager. Add ads manager script into the component and run the project. You can see banner in successfully loading in both screens. Now go back to the Google Ads website and below banner ad, click Interstitial button. We already initialized SDK, so skip it. Add load industrial ads function in script. Let's simplify coding a bit for easy to understand. Change interstitial test ID name. And also update this new name in the load interstitial add function. This function is used for first destroy old interstitial add, then load new interstitial add show interstitial add function. This function is used for display our interstitial add. You can listen all these ads event like add clicked, load failed, add opened, add closed by register event handlers function. Now let's correct code. Call load interstitial function from initialize function because when the SDK is initialized, we have to first load interstitial add register event handlers into the load interstitial add function with interstitial add parameter. So it will capture all errors opening and closing event. When our interstitial add is failed to load and interstitial add close, that time we have to again call load and interstitial add. Next, we will call show interstitial add function when click play button and click back button event. Let's run the project and click play button. Yes, you can say interstitial add and also see interstitial add when back button is pressed. Now go back to the Google Ads website and implement rewarded ads button. Go below add load rewarded ads function in script. Let's simplify coding a bit for easy to understand. Change rewarded test ID name and also update this new name in the load rewarded add function. This function is used for first destroy old rewarded add, then load new rewarded add show rewarded add function. This function is used for display our rewarded add. You can listen all these ads event like clicked, load failed, opened, add closed by register event handlers function. Copy the rewarded add variable declared above and paste it here where the error occurs. It's time to correct code. Call load rewarded function from initialized function because when the SDK is initialized, we have to first load rewarded add for rewarded add. When our rewarded add is failed to load and rewarded, close it, that time we again call load rewarded add register event handlers into the load rewarded add function with rewarded add parameter. So it will capture all errors opening and closing event. We will receive 30 coins after watching rewarded reward. So first initialized coin text in starting of the script. We will receive 30 in coin text only after the rewarded add is shown correctly. First convert coin text string to integer, then add 30, then convert integer to string and assign this value into coin text. Now create a new method show rewarded add in the game controller and call show rewarded add. Now go to the Unity project and in the ads manager game object drag and drop coin text into the ads manager. Select the reward add button, go to the inspector panel and on click section. Click the plus icon and then drag the canvas that containing game controller script. Select the Show Rewarded Ad method to be called when the button is clicked. Let's run the project, and in the top C banner ad, click Play button. You can say Interstitial ad. You will get 30 coins after closing rewarded ad, and also see Interstitial ad when back button is pressed. If you have to successfully see these ads in your actual device, then you definitely follow next steps. Click Asset Google Mobile Ads and Settings. You can see sample ID is given. Copy this ID and paste it in Android section. Now Asset External Dependency Manager Android Resolver Force Resolve. When it's done, go to File, Build Settings. Select Android in Platform section and click Switch Platform. Click Enabled in this pop-up box. When it's all done, select Project Setting in Player section. Go below Add Package Name in the other setting. You can add anything related to your game. Set API level 34 in Target API level. And in the Publishing setting, make sure you selected Custom Main Gradle Template, Custom Gradle Property Template, Custom Gradle Setting Template, and Custom proguard file, and check Release in Minify. This is very important. Now go to the Asset Plugins Android and proguard user file, open it, and paste this code in this text file. This code is also available in the description. Let's create a Google AdMob account. Go to the Google AdMob website, sign up, and set up your account to start monetizing your game. Click Apps, and App select Android. If your ad is already available in any app store, then select Yes. Otherwise, select No. Click Continue, add your app name and click Add App button, and click Done. Click Add Ad Unit. Select Banner, add banner unit ID name, you can add anything. Keep this setting as it is and click Create ID. Now copy app ID and go to the project asset Google Mobile Ad setting and paste it here. Now copy this ad unit ID and paste it into the banner test ID. Now it's done. Click Add Ad Unit. Select Interstitial, add Interstitial unit ID name, you can add anything. Click Create ID, copy this ad unit ID and paste it into the Interstitial test ID. Now it's done. Click Add Ad Unit. Select Rewarded, add Rewarded unit ID name, you can add anything. Click Create ID, copy this ad unit ID and paste it into the Rewarded test ID. Now it's done. These all ads will active when you release your app in any store. After release app, go to the app settings and click Add and paste your app URL here. This is for the example, and click Search and click Add after selection of this app. You can click Continue. Now go to the project and build your APK in actual device. You can see ads are showing without any error. If you followed all the steps, you will definitely succeed. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you have any query, then comment below, and if you succeed to integrate all ads, do like and subscribe my channel, and also comment to encourage me to do more videos.